In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a tax override on Shopify. Whether you're running an online store that has unique tax rules or you're selling products in different regions with varying tax rates, understanding how to set up tax overrides can save you from future headaches. Let's dive right into it. To begin, ensure you're logged into your Shopify account. On your Shopify admin, you're going to navigate to the Settings tab, which you can find at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Click on it. Once you're in, tap on Taxes and Duties. This page is where you manage all of your tax settings. Here, you should see all the default tax rates set by Shopify according to regional standards where your products are shipped. But sometimes, due to special promotions or legal requirements, you'll need to step in and create a tax override. Scroll to the section that reads Tax Overrides. This is where you'll modify tax rates for specific products, collections, or locations. Look for the Add a Tax Override button, and click on it to start creating a new rule. You'll want to choose whether your override is for a product collection or shipping address. If it's for specific products, first ensure you've grouped those products into a collection. This will make them easier to manage under a unified tax rule. Select the collection from the drop-down list. In cases where you're overriding taxes for a destination, note the list of regions or countries you ship to and select accordingly. Next, decide the tax that you need to override. This refers to the specific tax rate you want to alter. Now, it's time to enter the new tax rate in accordance with your needs. Let's say, for example, you're running a promotion in which no taxes apply to sales on a particular product collection. You would set this rate to 0. Double-check your entries to ensure everything looks correct. Are you satisfied with your list of products or destinations? Have you entered the correct rate? Making sure of these details now can save you from the hassle of complications and unhappy customers later down the road. Once you're sure, go ahead and save your override. Shopify will confirm the changes, and just like that, your store is now operating with your custom tax rules. It's really important to keep testing and monitoring your checkout process to confirm these overrides are applied correctly, especially if you release new products or change things around frequently. And there you have it. You successfully created a tax override for your Shopify store. It's these small customizations that set your business apart and ensure a smooth customer experience. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your store.